High-speed copy router drilling machine. Power supply indicators. This machine has a total of 2 handles. The function of the right handle is that after pressing, the motor starts to spray the coolant automatically. The function of the left handle is to position the drilling tool depth. You can position it after pressing it. Press it again, it will rise. Positioning left and right, the lock here is loosened. You can move it and then positioning. The 2 positioning blocks here are used as the reference to position them forward and backward. After